So here we are again, Craig, back in our very own recording studio, ready to launch the new TechBites series.
Yeah, and it seems ages since we were last here, but yeah, really good to be here today. And what I want to say is it's not going to be the same as the last TechBites series.
So what's going to be different?
Well, if you remember back, and hopefully the audience remember back in December when we said to watch this space because we'll be launching a new series in 2022, and true to our word, we're back here today to introduce it to the audience. And the topics are we're going to be taking a deeper technical look into photonics products, applications, and technology. Maybe I should tell you what the series itself is called. So it's Photonics Up Close.
So we're all curious now. What can we expect from this new series?
I'm going to tell you about the new series in a few seconds. But
Right.
before I get there, I just want to refer back to the 2021 TechBites series because we had really positive feedback from the audience, and maybe people sort of want to view some of those videos again. So they are still available on the TechBites page, our own TechBites page. So please go back and see the ones that you maybe missed. But in terms of the new TechBites series for 2022, then as I mentioned, we're going to be taking a deeper look from a technical point of view, and where possible, then we're going to also include a demonstration.
So can you give us any more information on the new series at this point?
Well, actually some of my colleagues have told me what they want to talk about.
Great.
So I can give sort of a sneak insight into that. So we're going to start with spatial light modulators, and those products are used to change the phase of light, particularly important for quantum computing, materials processing, and also ophthalmology. We've got a session on spectrometers, particularly looking at liquids analysis. And then we're going to move on to water analysis in particular, and we're going to show an example setup and how or what the benefits are of that particular setup, which then leads us on to infrared and how infrared light can be used to visualize product beyond the human eye. And then we're also going to be talking about microscopy. So again, sort of imaging related, but imaging of slides, so for medical application, and that basically how digital pathology is being used and what the technical requirements are for that, and how we can exceed them.
Perfect. So for the new series then, how many videos can the audience expect?
Well, I know last year we said, when we kicked off the series, we said, we'll just make a few videos, and that expanded to more than 20, I think, by the end of it. I've mentioned a few topics today. I'm expecting that it will probably grow to a similar number, but that's based on the feedback we get from customers. So what I would say is, please email us at info@hamamatsu.co.uk if there's a particular product or application where you want us to go or take a deeper technical dive.
Then we'll follow on from there.
Let's hope so.
So in terms of then where the videos will be released, where will people find all these new videos for the new series?
Well, I think we had good success from LinkedIn. So we've got our own LinkedIn account, Hamamatsu UK LinkedIn account. So we're going to post the videos on LinkedIn, and therefore I'd encourage people to connect with us so that they can receive notifications when you post them.
Brilliant. So final question then for you. What next?
Well, of course we've got to make the videos, that's obvious, but I guess I wanted to sort of go back again, sorry to keep going back to last year, because I think it's still relevant and also relevant for the future as well. So Hamamatsu as a company, me as an individual and also colleagues. When we're faced with a product or application which appears impossible, then rather than saying no, we say let's try. And because of that, new products and new technology are born, which means as a company, as an individual, but importantly as a customer, we succeed together. So I'm hoping from this series then it can sort of bring some new ideas and it can bring us success together.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Craig.
Thank you. Let's get started.